PreSonus DM-7 mic set review. Hidden gem or just hype? Drummers, don't skip this. Ever feel like your drum recordings sound more like you're playing inside a tin can than a studio? You're out here giving it your all, tight fills, crisp hats, booming kicks, but your gear just won't keep up. Your old mics choke on dynamics, drop the cymbals, and smother your snare. You try mixing, tweaking, equalizing for hours, but the soul just isn't there. It's exhausting. You know your drums deserve better, but it's like you're playing a losing game with tools that betray your talent. Frustration? Maxed out. Motivation? Gone. Deadlines don't care if your gear's trash. And when your mic setup keeps letting you down, every session feels like a countdown to burnout. Your DAW stares back at you like, really? This again? Meanwhile, clients want perfection, your bandmates want demos, and your inner critic screaming, "You're better than this." Stress builds, mixes stall, and you start questioning if it's even worth it. The clock's ticking, opportunities are slipping, and you're stuck battling noise, hiss, and heartbreak. You don't just need mics, you need a miracle. Cue the PreSonus DM-7 drum microphone set, your all-in-one ticket to recording salvation. This 7-piece kit isn't playing games. 1 BD1 dynamic kick mic with that punchy low-end boom and attack clarity, for SA4 snare tom mics with adjustable rim mounts, no more awkward angles or floor clutter, and 2 OH2 overhead condensers that capture your cymbals' shimmer and room vibe like fairy dust. It's portable. It's powerful. It's plug-and-play simple with XLR connectivity and a slick hardshell case to keep your rig road-ready. Designed for pros, priced for real people, this set isn't just gear, it's freedom. Users are calling it a steal, surprisingly pro, and basically cheating at this price. One drummer said, "These overheads alone are worth the cost." Another reviewer gushed, "My mix finally breathes, like I upgraded my ears." Need tonal balance? Boom! You got it. Want a low end that kicks through any mix? Done. Lightweight, durable, and easy on the eyes, the DM-7 brings laser-sharp clarity, effortless mic placement, and studio-quality sound whether you're recording toms, guitar amps, or even ensembles. Add a little EQ magic, and it punches way above its price. So, curious yet? Hit play and hear what the hype sounds like. Let's be real. This is the mic pack the internet whispers about when your budget's tight but your standards aren't. And right now? Stock is limited, demand's exploding, and once they're gone, they're gone. Don't let another gig, session, or golden take slip away to bad gear. Buy the DM-7 today, secure yours now, and join thousands of producers, engineers, and drummers who've already leveled up. Ditch the excuses. Capture your sound the way it deserves to be heard. Click, grab it, own it. Time to hit record, and never look back.